Hello, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, your San Francisco Bay Area general contractor that handles plans, permits, engineering, and construction. This is a typical set of plans for an addition. We'll take a quick walk through it. What we have here is a plot map that shows the exact location. We have visuals that show where the property is actually located, a lot of other notations and details. In this particular case, we see notations on and diagrams of the existing structure. For most plans, you need to show the current elevations of a project and then what the house will look like when it's completed. And you can see that this is identified as the new rear elevation. This is an existing rear elevation, and you can kind of see various pictures. This is what this project is going to look like when it's done. It's a great addition, a great room in the back, cathedral ceilings, brand new kitchen, part of an extensive remodel that's in here. And as we flip through this, we'll also see a more detailed structural diagram of what's going on, where the roof lines are, where the new areas of an addition are. This was a fairly complex modification to an existing house, and we had to do a lot of temporary shoring, and all of the engineering was in here as far as details of what needed to be done in order to shore this house up properly here temporarily as we prepared to change the roof line. And this is diagram showing where all of the new lighting and electrical is going. Very typical part of the plan, this particular area. These are a lot of notations and details that were required for permits with regards to the fire department rules and regulations. What you find in a growing number of areas in the Bay Area are details that have restrictions on the type of vents that are used on the side of the house and on the roof lines to prevent sparks from getting up into the new structure. Now we're going to take a look at a pretty nice set of pictures here, and these are the interior pictures of what the new addition will look like. And you can see we've done a tremendous job here with our engineer and architect in really showing you what the whole structure looks like. Many engineering firms and architects don't do this. They give you the typical blueprints. This is making it a lot easier to visualize the new completed project and see exactly what's going to be going on inside the space there. So this is all part of what we do for our plans and our permits. And we'll come over here. This is a very, very interesting set of detailed isometric CAD drawings here that show all of the details of exactly how we're going to do the construction and the layout for the addition. And you can see extensive details that show all the blow-ups of how the construction is done, all the connectors that are used here, and the details that go along with that. So this is another page that's pretty typical of the plans that we get. And I'm going to have to hold that a little bit with my knee so all this doesn't fall over. This is the roof line and the roof framing details that go into this here. These are existing foundation details that are here. So all of this is part of the project when we come in and have to put together a complete set of plans. So there's quite a bit of work that goes into it, and we'll take a look at our very last page. Sorry for the camera movement, but our last page has got structural foundation details in here on how things are connected, top views of how the walls are constructed, and all the details that go into it. These are all the foundation details. So this is a fairly typical set of plans that is put together by Golden Gate Enterprises. And if you're looking for a company that can handle plans, permits, engineering, and the construction, that's what Golden Gate Enterprises specializes in doing around the San Francisco Bay Area. So please give us a call. And this is Paul Gordon. I'm the owner and president of Golden Gate Enterprises. I'm involved in all of our projects from start to finish. And if you want a professional, easy to work with company, please do give us a call. And you can find us on the internet at bayareacontractor.com, or you can just do a Google search on Golden Gate Enterprises Incorporated, and you will find us on the internet. And if you are listening to this and you have your pencil handy, feel free to give us a call at 510-909-8552. And again, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, your San Francisco Bay Area general contractor. Thank you.